Hey everybody, my name is Tavnir and I'm here to show you our square punch board. So this can punch out any square size between 3 1/4 inch up to 3 by 4. So let me show you how it works. So it has these two arms on either side and measurements. So basically I can set this to whatever I want. So let's say 2 inches by 2 inches. Then I can take my paper and I'm going to insert it in here. It's going to hit the edges here and here so I know that I'm lined up. And I'm going to punch, and I can actually keep sliding it along so that I can keep punching out my little squares. So I have a bunch of 2 by 2 squares right here. But, you know, like I said, it goes up to 3 by 4 inches. So I could put it back in. Now it's set to 3 by 4. And I can punch out a bunch of 3 by 4. Just like that.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Scrap Time videos here on YouTube so you'll be the first to see all our videos from Creativation. And follow us on Instagram at Scrap Time Photos to see photos straight off the show floor.